Hello there, it's Brad here again, doing a Jack Russell called Sniffy. I started with a sketch as usual, taken from a photo that I did earlier in the year. I start by filling in the lighter areas with a number 8 flat brush using a mixture of white, golden cadmium yellow and yellow ochre. I added detailing to the fur using my new 1/2" filbert graining brush, which the lady in the shop said was perfect for painting pets, and she wasn't wrong. I use that brush a lot in this painting. So I add darker areas using a mixture of burnt sienna and black, a bit of white, still using the filbert brush to add hair edges to the dark bits. Now using a number 1 script liner brush and a number 3 for some detailing. Adding black with the filbert brush and more detailing with the number 1. Now for the nose, I used solid black and mixed it down with water. Solid black for the darker areas, and then water it down slightly for the other black areas of the nose, and then just detail it with a bit of white. For the eyes, I outlined them with a number 0 and blended in the lashes with the filbert grainer. Filled in with a black and a burnt sienna mix, and then glazed that with the yellow ochre. That's how I got the colour in the eyes there. Make sure to pay attention to the white reflected highlights. I went back and adjusted the highlights several times with a fine brush and some solid white paint. The whiskers I added with the number 1 script liner. The collar is a mixture of carmine red and gold and cadmium yellow, plus white, mixed down with a bit of water for the different shades, and then tinted with a bit of white and a bit of dark just to give it a bit of contouring. The plastic clasp was black, so I really just had to pay attention to the highlights. Finally, just fill the body with white and a very tiny light touch of black. So just to make it stand out from the paper. So there he is. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment.